In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Acropdf.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and simply type appwiz.cpl. Click on it under the best match. Locate the application from here that is giving you the error. Let's say for example it is Adobe Acrobat. Right click and click the option that is changed to repair it. Okay, click on next and then click on repair. Okay, click on repair, click on next, click on update. So wait for the process to be done. This may take several minutes, but let's simply wait for this to be repaired. Okay, so let me just minimize this for now. But in your case, just simply wait for the process to be done. And the next step we can do is to update our Windows because updating our Windows that comes with the necessary files that we need for our machine. So click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click this button right here to check for updates to download and install the necessary files and updates for your Windows. So once you're updated, just simply try again and see if that helped you fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.